Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Witcher coin is probably one of the most sought-after collectibles for fans of the Witcher universe, offering a tangible piece of the continent's rich lore and intricate history. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just beginning your journey into the world of Geralt of Rivia, this coin represents a unique opportunity to own a piece of that magic, making it an ideal addition to any fan's memorabilia. Its detailed craftsmanship and thematic relevance make it stand out as a must-have item for anyone who appreciates the depth and artistry of the Witcher saga. Number 5. Collector's Bitcoin Coin Commemorative Crypto Token. Celebrate the rise of digital currency with this intricately designed, limited edition commemorative Bitcoin token. It's a must-have for any crypto enthusiast. Please note, this is a novelty item and not legal tender. Crafted from durable zinc alloy, this token boasts an elegant and timeless design. It showcases your passion for cryptocurrency in a premium way. Each coin comes protected in a clear acrylic display case. This keeps it safe from dust and damage while allowing for easy viewing. Looking for a unique gift? This collectible coin is perfect for anyone interested in cryptocurrency or collecting. It's suitable for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Whether you're a seasoned collector or new to the world of cryptocurrency, this commemorative piece is a great addition to any display. Add it to your collection today. What we like. This is a limited edition commemorative token made from durable zinc alloy. It comes with a protective acrylic display case. If you are a crypto enthusiast looking for a unique collectible to showcase your passion, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The coin is a great replica of the one from the game, with intricate details on both sides. It has a good weight to it, feels substantial in hand, and the metal used is of good quality. The design accurately reflects the wolf head emblem and the Witcher runes, making it a perfect collectible for fans. Number 4. Dark Horse The Witcher 3 Ciri figure. From the hit novels and the wildly popular video game, comes a new collectible. This figure is inspired by the beloved characters you know and love. Standing an impressive 9 inches tall, this figure captures the essence of the character. It's a substantial addition to any fan's collection. Dark Horse proudly presents the second figure in the Ciri series. This release brings back a fan-favorite character with a fresh new look. The figure features bold red and gold tones that truly make it pop. These striking colors highlight its dynamic design. Every aspect of this collectible has been meticulously crafted. You'll appreciate the high level of detail in its design and execution. What we like. This highly detailed figure stands 9 inches tall and is inspired by the popular video game. If you are a fan of the Witcher universe and Ciri, this collectible will make a bold statement in your display. What people say. The coin is a faithful replica of the one from the game, featuring intricate details and a satisfying weight. It's made of high-quality metal, giving it a premium feel and durability that stands up to handling. The design accurately captures the iconic wolf head emblem, making it a must-have for any Witcher fan. Number 3. Witcher, music from the Netflix show. Immerse yourself in the epic sounds of The Witcher, now available as a music collection. Experience the magic and adventure through its captivating soundtrack. Journey through the continent with this incredible collection of music. These powerful tracks capture the essence of every battle, every quest, and every magical moment. Relive your favorite moments from the acclaimed Netflix series. The music brings the world of Geralt of Rivia to life like never before. Let the enchanting melodies transport you. This soundtrack is a perfect companion for fans who want to feel the thrill of the show anytime, anywhere. Discover the rich soundscape that defines this beloved series. It's more than just music, it's an auditory adventure. What we like. This features the official soundtrack from the Netflix show. It offers an immersive audio experience with the original score. If you love the atmosphere and music of the Witcher series, this album is a must-have to relive those moments. What people say. The coin is a faithful replica of the one from the game, with intricate details on both sides. It has a good weight to it, feeling substantial and well made in the hand. The metallic finish is impressive, giving it a realistic and authentic appearance. Number 2. Q Workshop Witcher Dice Set, Geralt, White Wolf. Embark on epic adventures with this stunning RPG dice set. Inspired by the beloved Witcher universe, it's a must-have for any fan. Featuring the iconic White Wolf motif, this set embodies the spirit of Geralt himself. Roll the dice and feel the power of the legendary monster slayer. Brought to you by Q Workshop and CD Projekt Red, these dice are designed for countless hours of gameplay. Perfect for solo quests or group campaigns. If you live and breathe the Witcher universe, this dice set is calling your name. Add a touch of magic to your tabletop experience. Experience the thrill of the game with dice that are as durable as they are beautiful. They are ready to accompany you on all your quests. What we like. This is an official RPG dice set designed for fans of Geralt. If you enjoy tabletop role-playing games and want to bring the world of The Witcher to your sessions, this set is an excellent addition. What people say. The coin is a great replica of the one from the game. It has a nice weight to it and feels substantial in the hand. The details on the coin are very accurate to the game's design. Number 1. Q Workshop Witcher Dice Set, Yennefer Obsidian Star. Are you a devoted fan of the Witcher universe? Then this exquisite dice set is crafted especially for you. It's the perfect addition to your tabletop adventures. Introducing the Yennefer, the Obsidian Star, a brand new RPG dice set. This collaboration brings together the magic of Q Workshop and CD Projekt Red. Each die in this set features a striking black finish. They are adorned with intricate silver engravings, making them a pleasure to behold. This is more than just a dice set, it's a tribute to the beloved Witcher saga. Immerse yourself deeper into the world with these unique accessories. Experience the quality and craftsmanship of this officially licensed set. It's designed to enhance your gaming sessions and stand out at the table. What we like. This RPG dice set features a Yennefer-inspired design with black dice and silver engravings. If you are a fan of The Witcher and appreciate elegant, thematic accessories for your games, this set is a stylish choice. What people say. The coin is a faithful replica of the one from the game, featuring intricate details on both sides. It has a satisfying weight and metallic feel, making it a great collectible for fans. The coin is made of durable metal and has a polished finish that looks very authentic. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.